So we have some statistics from the previous workshops, and you can see that PyHub actually over the years was quite popular, and you can see the red line there, and you know what happened. So we went from actually in person to workshops into online, and this is actually the first time since 2020 we are meeting in person and online, so hybrid workshop. In green, you can see this. We had a developer track. This is by invitation only, and yes, before Jordan, thanks. Okay, I'll wrap it up even faster. So you can see that we represent quite a number of experiments, so quite a variety from LHC experiments and theoretical physics. We had 281 registered and 30, so 10% attending in person. We have, again, we have more gender equality to work on. You can see that we have mostly male participants, but I think we have a representation from female community as well, very well. So next, what's gonna happen next? We'll call for hosts for PyHub 2026 in December. You're welcome to join HSF working groups and contribute to open source projects. And please archive your materials on Zenodo and add references to your talks. We will put the recordings, links to the recordings on the Indica agenda to each of your talks. And please stay connected via GitHub and community calls. The Zulip channel will also remain open, and you're welcome to post the discussions. And this is actually the first time we used Zulip, and I think it worked quite well. So the last thing, there is a survey link to on the agenda, and we would really appreciate you to fill it in to give us feedback. So it will take about 5 to 10 minutes. The answers are anonymous, so unless you choose to give your contact details, and please be candid, and it helps us to improve. And I would really like to thank people who actually chair the sessions: Matthew, Yasin, Peter, and thanks to Eduardo for organizing coffee breaks here. So, see you next year then. Thank you.